Hello, it's James Marino. Truck was rattling, 2018 Ram Power Wagon. Muffler shop welded muffler on my truck, and come to find out the rattling is because they stuck this just a smaller piece of pipe inside right here, and it was rattling, and they said it's Cadillac inverter trying to rip me off. $850 a piece of Cadillac inverter. Went to the junkyard, found the same truck, 2 Cadillac inverters, $350. I thought it was a good deal. Start to do the work and taking off